Holiday audio imaging.
Oh no! Did your Christmas light display just go from merry and bright to a bucket of suck?
Max, looks like someone forgot to test the lights before putting them on the house. Introducing Mr. Grinch's Holiday Lighting Repair Service.
Wait,
Holiday audio
the
imaging.
Grinch? You fix lights now?
Yeah, I know. Stole Christmas once, blah, 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 growth of my heart, yada, yada, yada. How many times have I heard that? I'll climb up on your roof, untangle your lighting disaster, and repair or replace every burnt-out bulb.
Holiday audio
And all
imaging.
for a small fee. Plus, I'll guarantee it won't look as tacky as your neighbors. They know who they are.
So don't let a blown bulb ruin your holiday glow. Call Mr. Grinch's Holiday Lighting Repair Service today.
Because nothing says Christmas cheer like paying me to climb your roof.
Grinch's Light Bulb Repair Service is not responsible for tangled wires, electrocuted reindeer, broken ornaments, overly Christmas squirrels, or Aunt Bethany's fruitcake.
Holiday
Max,
audio imaging.
here we go again.